Hey there, Josh Hollingsworth here. Just wanted to send a video out about the KNoTT Band. So hopefully you already have your KNoTT Band, which you know is meant to serve as a reminder to you and a signal to others that you're working on good hand hygiene, and in particular working to minimize the amount that you touch your face when out in public places. So I wanted to share two things with you real quick. One, how you can take your KNoTT Band and convert it into a KNoTT ring, which serves, as a more prominent reminder, being on your finger versus your wrist. And also wanted to share with you exactly how I'm using the KNoTT Band to serve as a reminder for me to not touch my face so much when I'm out in public places. So to turn it into a KNoTT ring, all you need to do is put it around the tip of the finger that you're going to wear it on, and then take the other end and give it a few twists, right? And then slip your finger through that end and then slide it down your finger. There you go, boom, voila. Now you have a KNoTT ring to serve as a prominent reminder to not touch your face when you're out in public. So the way I'm using this, of course, in combination with Tiny Habits, y'all know I love and use the Tiny Habits method all the time. So my recipe that involves the KNoTT Band is, after I get out of my car to go into a public place, I will convert the KNoTT Band into a KNoTT ring. So as soon as I get out of the car, I'm fixing to go into work or school or grocery shopping or any public place, I just pull it off of my wrist, turn it into a ring real quick, and bam, now I have a prominent reminder for me to not touch my face when I'm out in public. Of course, there's other ways you could use it, right? Other Tiny Habits recipes that you could have. For instance, after I have the urge to touch my face, I will take it off of my wrist and just hold it in my hand. That way, it's kind of a fiddle toy, keeps your hands busy. Or you could say, after I have the urge to touch my face, I will move it from one wrist to the other to create some awareness there, right? So there's multiple ways that you can use it. I've shared with you how I'm using it. Let me know how you're using it, how it's working, and I look forward to hearing your feedback. Thanks, and have a great day. Wash your hands.